Eva trades.
Hello and welcome to the Risk Management Simulator series. I'm going to try to shoot a quick one off here before I trade real money in the market. So the next video will be real money. I've got about an hour here till I have to prepare for that. So I've got time for a short video. So we're going to take a look at some charts. We're going to do a little bit of simulation trading, but first let's take a look at the rule book right after this. And day trading is risky, so I like to trade in a simulator. I use Thinkorswim. It works really well for me. I'm going to go ahead and open up the risk management progress, if it will load. My apologies, I should have had this ready to go. I don't know what's going on here. Never seen it take that long to load. Anyway, so I was going to go over, I've got 5 rules here. This is my progress so far. I had a small red day yesterday on the last trading video. Only, down $45 on that. So anyway, so my daily rules that I like to use is number 1, daily max loss is $400. So if I hit that, I have to stop. I can't take more than 4 positions to start the day. If I hit my daily goal of $200, I can choose to keep trading, but if I give back half, then I have to be done. I can't take more positions than my max loss allows. Now, the reason I was red yesterday is because I broke rule number 4, and I actually declared I'm breaking rule number 4 because I want to try to see what happens, and it wasn't good. So I could have ended the day green. Instead, I had a red day. All right, so let's take a look at the charts. 5 minutes to go on the simulated day of November 17th. 5 minutes to go till the market opens, that is. Let's start out by looking at the larger time frames here. The hourly time frame on ARDX, we are pulling back and consolidating. We have been for the last 3 hours. Right now we have an inside bar favoring the bulls right below $2 here. So what we have is a tightening range with a low of the move, a lower high, higher low, double top right up here. So bulls want to get over $2. Want to break through 2. Let's look at that now on the 5 minute. You can see it a little clearer here. See this nice tightening pattern. You could even draw your line like this, if it'll let me draw it. You can see that. Look at that. Look at how we touched that line. Multiple touches. 4 touches already. So this could end up being a bear flag or a bear pennant, but we'll see if the bulls can hold up anything above. Let's get rid of these lines here. On this 5 minute chart, anything above $1.83 is a higher low. On this pullback, bulls want to see a higher low and a higher high and a break through $2 to break this equilibrium bullish and to confirm that the temporary bottom is set on the hourly time frame. And that would also give us a 15-minute uptrend with a higher low and a higher high. So all good things there if we get the bull break. If we do not get the bull break, if the bears take over or take control here, you'll see a bear break of this bear pennant. But we'll see what happens there. Bulls have enough room to work with here that we will likely see a higher low and a higher high. The question is, if we break $2, can we hold? We are coming up against the VWAP, the volume weighted average price. CTMX. We could look at the larger time frame on that one as well. Consolidating on the hourly, a 2-bar pullback, as well as an inside bar bear break. But right now, what I like the most about the 15-minute time frame is you got the high of the move, low of the pullback, you have a lower high. Looking for a higher low. Anything above $1.42 is a higher low. If this is our higher low at $1.49, and we bounce from there, bulls want to break this equilibrium of $1. You don't want to break $1.65 and $1.69. I'd say we favor the bears. We actually have had a bear break already on this inside bar, but it's not, the time frames aren't quite aligning there. So I'm calling it an equilibrium on the 15-minute time frame. So the 5 minute, we have a 5 minute downtrend, lower highs and lower lows. Bulls want to turn that around right here. Anything above $1.49 is a higher low on that 5-minute time frame. So we're going to watch for clues that the 5-minute trend will change back to the bulls by watching the 1 minute and see if we get a 1-minute trend change first. IMUX, high of the move up here at $1.68. Kind of the same thing on the hourly, consolidating. We made a little move on the hourly time frame here, but IMUX, I'm not really all that interested in. It's pretty light on volume. I didn't really have anything else to look at. I don't like this price action that I see. I probably won't trade this at all, but we do have, just for fun, we do have a flat top right here. Lots of attempts to break above that. And we'll see what happens there. So with a minute to go until the market opens, and you can see here on IMUX on the larger time frame, the hourly, this is looking like a lower high and a lower, well, higher low. If you, well, you know, 15-minute was probably a little clearer. There's the high, there's the low, lower high, and you could call this a higher low, maybe, but we first need to see the price bounce before we can call that a higher low, because we could pull back more. Try not to trip over my tongue. We actually did get a little higher low and higher high, and now a lower low, so it's choppy. Let's get back to the smaller time frames. We have 20 seconds till the market opens. I'm going to try to trade for about 15 minutes here, possibly, and then get this video uploaded and get ready to trade real money when the market opens at 6:30 this morning. All right, the simulator market is open. I can't trade that first 1 minute, but I'll usually use this time to watch the candle range on the 1 minute time frame and set my stop loss parameter. So 10 cents or 9 cents on this candle range, 10 cents now, you can see it here. So looking for that higher low on the 15-minute on CTMX. We may be getting it here. Five seconds till I can take a trade. I don't know if I want to get in here or not. I might try it. It's a little risky because we're below the EMAs and the VWAP. And I don't know yet if this is the bottom. I'm going to buy a bounce, a dip trade off of ARDX here. Try to see if we get a bounce off of 183. I think I'll move my stop loss up to the low of day, risking $40 there. Stopped out on CTMX, so that was not the bottom. Taking profit over here on ARDX. Adjusting my stop loss parameter. So far, not starting the day out the best. Now maybe we come down to $1.42. We have another lower high and a lower low on CTMX on that 5-minute time frame. I'm in ARDX. I want to see if that low can hold. Yeah. So really taking an unnecessary loss there on ARDX. Oh, I know what I'm missing. I need to put my spectacles on here. So we have a high of day of $1.52 on CTMX. So rolling over on ARDX, look at that 15-minute time frame. We got that bear break happening, that bear flag starting to follow through. Taking a starter on CTMX, I want to see if this actually is the low of the move here. Nice green candle. See if we get some follow through on that. There we go. I'm gonna add to it. Where I really want to get over is $1.55. Because what I want to do is start adding and holding, looking for this to bounce. Let's see, we need to change that 5-minute trend. Oh. So a pretty hard rejection off of $1.54. So we did break through the high of day. We have a new high of day at $1.54. We need to get over $1.55. ARDX breaking down more here. Trying to base out. So we have an inside bar. Inside bar, will we get the bull break? IMUX, I'm going to buy that over there. And was looking for a bounce off of 150, but looks like, I don't know, see if I get it. Back out of IMUX. I took a $50 loss on it. I wanted it to bounce on that candle and it did not. Nice volume spike. That could mark the bottom of the move. It might. So CTMX with a lower high, looking for a double bottom, and we really want to hold $1.45. So anything above $1.45 is a higher low on the 1 minute. Need to change that 1 minute trend back to the bulls. Oh man. Taking bigger losses. Oh, I'm actually at my max loss. I wasn't even paying attention to that. Well, that's not good. I'm gonna get back out over here. So being that I'm at my max loss, I'm well above my max loss. I'm down, oh, I don't know, more than I way more than I want to be. Just looking to see if there's any potential here. Just that I see the bulls buying the dip right here, and I'm wondering if we get a bear break, bull break scenario on this 15-minute. I kind of like CTMX. It just feels like this is the bottom, you know? So what I'm looking for, so it is a double bottom now on CTMX. Kind of on the 15-minute, it looks a little different now than it did when we analyzed this pre-market. Got a double bottom. I'm just kind of expecting a bounce. Anything above the $1.65 is a lower high, so we do have some room to bounce. Maybe we bounce up to the VWAP. So trying to break. Let's see what kind of resistance we get at $1.50. I don't know. It's taking a while. Got higher red volume than we do green volume. How far can these bulls bounce on CTMX? That is the question. I'm going to add to this and see if we get a bigger move. It's starting to kind of look strong, I think. See if we break through 150 here. Could take half of the profit on that. I guess I will there. Okay, and I'll add back right there. See what we get. coming down to $1.75 on ARDX. Can we break 154? On CTMX? There's a nice little pullback to the VWAP. I'll go ahead and buy that pullback to the VWAP there. And if we can break $1.54, I might just try to sell some. I will sell some there. See if we continue to $1.60. Okay. How far can we bounce on this 15-minute time frame? We have a new 15-minute candle coming up. I'm looking at my screen up top. I think I might sell it on this new 15-minute candle. Let's watch it here. I'm going to sell it there just to, so you see what I'm looking at here. Here's that 15-minute candle. So I think I'll look for a pullback on it. Watching the 5-minute here. Pull back to $1.55. That could be a place to get in. But I don't know. We'll have to wait and see here. We have the volume weighted average price. I'm going to have to stop trading here shortly because I'm going to need to get ready for the real market. So the low of that 5-minute candle is $1.54. The VWAP is at $1.52. I'm going to look for a move down to $1.52. Might be a good spot to try to get in. Maybe $1.50. Right there. Stopped out on it, but back in at $1.49. I'm in at $1.48 actually. It's kind of pulled back more than I wanted. I'm going to hold it for a bit though. We'll see what happens. We're below the VWAP. We're back up above $1.50. Let's see if we can hold $1.50. I am going to move my target order up just in case we break back through the high. It's very possible. I'm looking at that 15-minute candle. We could do it pretty soon here though. There's $1.53 back test of the VWAP. So we're back above the VWAP. Might be looking for an equilibrium here. Could top out. High day is up here at $1.59. We could top out somewhere below there. See if we can get over 155. Could be a good ad spot if we break 155. I'm just a little concerned that we might top out below 159 is all. There we go. I'm just going to sell it there for now. Just take the profit on it. Let's see if I get another chance to maybe add back to it. Yeah, I'm really going to have to stop trading here in a bit. So I did break my rules today. I was down below my max loss. I just saw something in this and I really wanted to try it. When it hit $1.42, it seemed like it was something worth maybe getting into. I'm gonna add back there at $1.51. I don't know. Get that high, low, lower, high. Looking for a higher low. Anything above, you know, 47, $1.47 is a higher low. I just don't like where my stop loss is at right there. That's why I'm like, I don't know. I'll hold it for a bit here and see what it looks like. Got to hold $1.50, $1.51. Keeping an eye on the 15-minute. I have 5 minutes left on that 15-minute candle. See if we can break 54. There we did. Can we get back above 55? And can we get through 56? Okay, holding so far. So we've got that high, low, lower, high, higher, low. Really tightening up here. Here's that 15-minute time frame. You can see that. If we end up getting another 15-minute inside bar, I'm not going to hold for that. I'll probably end up just exiting. I want to see this 15-minute bar break now. I'm just going to get out. I'm going to take the profit. I have to be done because I got to go get ready for the real trading. So I know I broke my rules today, and that's not something that I need to get in the habit of. It worked for me today, but it puts me up $185 on the day, so that's pretty close to my daily goal. I was down over 500 at one point, and I took this trade here, and if I'd gotten stopped out on that, I'd be down even more. So you see, that was really risky. I shouldn't have done that. But and then of course I'm getting rewarded for doing something I shouldn't have done. That's not good either. So anyways, that's it for me. I'm going to go ahead and get out of here, and I'll see you in the real market in about just under an hour. And it looks like here maybe it's going to want to go. I'm still curious that, you know, wondering if it's going to top out. Inside bar. Anyways, all right. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.